Going to be doing an unboxing of this Razer Mirror. It's a special edition keyboard. This is a box it comes in. You can see the keys right there. The keys are a mirror finish. So I guess they wanted people to see through the box, which is a good idea. Look how thin that is. That's really thin. Man, those keys are crazy shiny. It looks really good though. It's really thin, it's lightweight, and super shiny. Seems like this thing's gonna get dirty really quick. Dirty and dusty, which is not a good thing. Gonna have to keep those wet wipes handy. But overall, the look of it is awesome. I like the size. I like the way. I like how thin it is. It's a perfect keyboard. Alright guys, that's about it. Guys, I guess you guys don't want to see the paper it came with, paperwork, all that bullcrap. So, got right down to the keyboard. Well, thank you guys for watching, and please subscribe.